the heck does this creepo want? And where the heck has he been? Bruh. What's up, YouTube fam? Texas Backyard Gardener here, and I know it's been a minute, but guess what? Your boy is back. I just had to take care of a few things, get some stuff knocked out real quick. Yeah, but we're gonna get it on and popping this year. I got some cool ideas I gotta do. I gotta clean up this backyard monstrosity that's behind me and get that thing going and everything, and I plan on taking y'all on the journey with me. Let's get to it. I'm gonna show y'all the front yard garden, just kind of let you know some of the changes that I've made over the past several months. Let's go. All right, so I started some container peas. Me and Little Miss Texas Backyard Gardener started some container peas. Those have been going pretty good. Had to redo the flower beds as well. So this is brand new. Oh yeah. I don't think like none of, well, actually I think this part right here, that part right there was there. But all this area over here, I believe this is new. So y'all haven't seen this. Yeah. So I've been doing that. So this right here, this is the first year we did garlic. And I don't know if you know anything about plain garlic, but basically you just take the single clove, pop it in there, and watch it grow. Make sure you put it in root side down. So we tried some of that, and we got some cantaloupe growing. This is the first year we've tried some cantaloupe. See if I can get a good shot of it in there for you. There you go. Yep, so it's already starting to get its first set of true leaves. I've been pumping this bad boy like full of nitrogen, and they were looking a little rough there for a while, but not so much anymore. Yeah, and this is the other cantaloupe right here. Let's see if I can get a good top view of it. Yeah. So they're doing good. They're doing good so far. I just mounded them up, and I didn't do anything special to them. I just followed the instructions or whatever the package told me. So yeah, that's what's been going on. Been doing that. That's really all I got going on. Container peas, cantaloupe over here, and the garlic. My main goal this year, though, honestly, is I need to get this front yard going again. I gotta get a tree put out here. I'm thinking about getting like a crepe myrtle. Here, I'm thinking about getting like a crepe myrtle over here on the side. Maybe get some bushes up through here. Maybe try to do some landscaping. Man, you know, I mean, this whole front yard is looking bare than a mug. Here, let me show y'all. Let me show you what it looks like across the street. Yeah, man. See? Gotta get a tree in there. I gotta get a tree, gotta get some landscaping, gotta make it look pretty, man. Sheesh. Yeah, so that's it. So do me a favor, don't forget to click that little bell notification icon down below. That way you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. All right, until next time. Peace.